Go D, it's your birthday. Go D, it's your birthday, girl. You're growing up to be a big girl. So enjoy, have all the fun in the world, and remember, we love you. We love you. We love you. Okay? Enjoy to the fullest.
A very happy birthday to you, Lady D. Happy birthday, my friend. All God's blessings to you today as you celebrate another year of life. So enjoy your day, do something fun. It's gorgeous weather. Just relax, max out, chill out, and do whatever your heart desires. So happy birthday. God's richest blessings always. Much love to you.
To the most beautiful, gorgeous, smart, bright, pleasant young lady, Denise Gomez Green. It's your birthday, and I, Maxine Lyons, aka Max Poet, want to wish you the best birthday you ever have. Girl, just live it up, because guess what? It's your birthday. So I wish you all the best that the day has to offer. May you live to see many, many more. And may Mr. Green give you all that you desire, darling. Blessings and love from your girl and queen, Maxine.